Sawyer Filter Tips and Tricks. Sawyer filters are designed for long-term use on trail, while traveling, and in emergency situations. To keep your filter performing at a high flow rate, we recommend the following 4 things: backwash frequently, don't over-tighten, avoid freezing, and store your filter properly after use. Backwashing. After using your Sawyer filter, frequent backwashing will help maintain the filter's flow rate. The more often you backwash, the better your flow rate will be. The trick to a successful backwashing is to be very forceful with the process. Water will always take the path of least resistance, so in order to fully flush out the filter and restore its flow rate, make sure you use force, especially during the first couple of passes. Repeat backwashing until the water runs clear. If backwashing does not adequately clean your filter, try alternating forwards and backwards flushing. Fill the cleaning plunger with filtered water, then push water forwards through the filter in the same direction as the flow arrow. Refill the cleaning plunger with filtered water and push water in the reverse direction of the flow arrow. Repeat this process 3 times in each direction. If standard backwashing doesn't restore the flow rate, try soaking the filter in warm water, not too hot to touch, for 1 hour. After soaking, forcefully backwash several times with warm water. If your flow rate remains slow, your water source might be mineral-rich. Soak your Sawyer filter in vinegar for half an hour or so, and then repeat the process above with warm water backwashes. Gaskets. Be gentle. Sawyer filters only need to be finger tightened on pouches, bottles, and Sawyer adapters. The easiest way to spring a leak is to over-tighten the filter. The threads on the filter are shorter than some might expect, and the filter can be unintentionally over-tightened in pursuit of a tight seal. This can damage or warp the white gasket visible on the filter, cause it to fall out, or get lodged inside the opening of your pouch or bottle. Support the collar of the pouch when screwing on the filter, and only finger tighten the filter. Do not wring the pouch when tightening the filter. Do not over-tighten the filter. Freezing. A used or wet filter may be compromised when exposed to below freezing temperatures. During the ice expansion process, the pores on the fibers can be stretched or damaged to the point that pathogens can slip through. If you suspect your filter has frozen, we recommend erring on the side of caution and replacing it. When hiking in freezing temperatures, tuck your filter into a warm coat pocket or sleeping bag while sleeping to ensure the filter fibers stay safe. If you're flying after an adventure, be sure to put your filter in your carry-on bag to protect it from compromising conditions below the cabin. There is no threat of freeze damage with an unused filter. Long-term storage. Before storing your filter, we recommend backwashing and sanitizing your filter before storing it. To sanitize, use a weak bleach solution. 1 capful from the filter or squeeze pouch of fragrance-free bleach per liter of water. Slosh the weak bleach solution around in your pouch and squeeze it through the filter. After the pouch and filter have been sanitized, let the filter sit upright with sufficient ventilation to dry out. Store the filter in a cool, dry location away from direct sun exposure. The filter must be stored in above freezing environments. Thanks for making your Sawyer filter go the distance. We'll see you out there.